Who is most likely to taste their own poop?
We don't know. But it's
The more that's
It's a girl then for those who know, don't know and want to know. Before I'm gonna further, you see all of the link them down in the description. Check them out, them never sponsor the video. Check it out and follow me on all my social platforms. You know I'm gonna like my TikTok, my Twitter, my TikTok and all of that, yep. And just thanks for keeping it real because when I come back, when means to not keep it real, I'm glad for that. Period. So as I'm gonna say, by the text down below, we're going to be doing what is who's most likely to. Oh, and also we have a 3 special guests, which is my cousin Raheem, me, Kanila, and my sister Brittany, and myself.
You know special?
not really.
Dainelle.
Mind the week.
You know? So, Kanila will be doing the questions for us.
And give me a piece of
me. Anyway, Kanila will be doing the questions for us.
So we had no time to post like give us some would you rather questions. We did the app. It's a would you rather app, yeah. You have to pay for certain of the settings them or the modes them. And the mode we're using is the pre-party mode, so let's get into it.
What one alone you gonna use?
They only have the pre-party mode or the wild ones or something like wild something free, yeah. So the first one is
our outside girls, you might hear some little noise.
outside the road fear.
Nature.
This is not curfew hours.
Yeah. Anyways, go ahead. This is nature outside.
Hot! Mouth hot. Plant chips hot. Okay. Who is St. Mary sponsor me.
You can sponsor with Kashab. You know?
That's what I'm saying. Who is most likely to never be single for more than 3 months?
I'm not true. Talk
You
true.
see me, I look for mine.
Talk true.
Just let me look for my own.
Talk truth. You don't
Serious
know.
something.
Talk truth. Talk truth.
Serious something.
So,
Who you gonna put up?
who you gonna put up with your innocent self?
So we're gonna call who we say.
Dainelle.
Oh, what is Farmiga?
Dainelle. Hey, Dainelle. She's so confused.
This is a Brittany. She.
Dainelle, are you?
I know.
Blood friend. They put up their friend.
I'm telling you, I swear my mother's like this.
Don't do it. Unless I don't sit down and have
Next question. Who is most likely to go on a picnic date?
Me.
I'm just gonna put myself
No,
through.
that's why it's not me.
I mean,
Are you?
No.
No, because it's not me for sure.
Me.
picnic
That's
date,
what I love,
me.
love. Me that do that, I love my belly. And it's pretty chill. So I would
Me.
Yeah, take too long, yeah, fix
I
some
don't
paper.
like
Me, I
outside.
think.
Okay, moving on. She doesn't know.
Next
She doesn't know what she
question.
wants.
Kadian.
My video.
Alright, next question. Who is most likely to stay unemployed?
Dainelle.
What? I'm in love with this.
No, no way.
The bird see?
Stay unemployed.
No.
No, way.
Can't work.
Yeah, me
Broke
well
life
want
not fit
Me
with.
well want work.
Just them nails there and them inches there not fit with. Next question. Who is most likely to
Wait till after you do that so we can put.
Who is most likely to buy essays online?
Me.
I said, ask everybody.
Raheem is most likely to do
Yeah,
this.
I would not be doing that.
He's so shortcut.
I did it.
Yeah,
Buy some.
me not buy.
Make somebody do it for me already.
Yeah,
I'm
exactly. Me rather fuse as a little guide.
I'm an understand friend. No, no shame. No shame in your
Next
I need to
question.
sometime, man.
Who's most
Wait till she get it.
I'm good.
Who's most likely to be embarrassed when he or she is around his or her crush?
Brit.
Me. I'm not ashamed, but I'm very shy. If you didn't know, I'm kind of
Shame? No shame in my game.
Embarrassed.
No embarrassment.
Come on.
Not need them to clap all day.
Me not feel stuck, yeah, me.
I would say me, but I'm be
I
embarrassed.
have an experience with Dainelle.
No, Dainelle for true, right?
Me have
Right.
experience with
She
Farmiga.
made people them cry in
I
the shell because
use-
she's so embarrassed.
What? I use New Year's Eve. No, box. I use that
Sweet,
to
wait,
touch
hold on.
everything after.
No, what I'm just saying. What was the question? What was the question?
Who is most likely to be embarrassed
Dainelle.
when he or she is around his or her
girl.
crush?
Keep it real with Dainelle.
I would say me.
All the
Me
way,
not have
Dainelle.
experience with Dainelle, but me have
Exactly.
experience with Camila.
I just don't nobody for me.
Achoo!
I have experience
What
with
your
Camila.
ass talking about?
I'm telling you, I'm gonna say Kanila and I'll say me. To me,
That's
something.
right.
Dainelle. Alright, leave it there. I
No,
stop
I'm not
pretending
talking
I'm
about.
I have an experience with Kanila and that.
What you talking
But
about?
Dainelle, but you are
What
right,
experience did you go
Hey, tell me with me. Tell me with me.
She literally made the president feel like they want to take a bus and go back at the yard.
But
Who is most likely to go camping?
Right here.
me, I can't go much time.
I put Brit.
Me, I did camping so many
Why
times.
is it?
But what camping though?
Me legit go on camping
Out
in
in
a
nature.
nature.
Oh yeah, but we do it for true. And don't talk about tuna for till next year.
Me,
But I'm go on camp and get lost in the dirt and
right.
Once I get lost in that dirt.
Right in my braids.
I've done camping, but clean camping, like
Where
cheerleading.
the months I get lost in that dirt?
Yeah.
Next question.
Yeah,
Next question. Who is most likely to copy and paste from Wikipedia?
Brit, me.
Me,
Can I get a me, please?
me, like period.
Like,
But legit do it for my last essay.
we feel like Wikipedia.
I do it, but I turn the words around. Come in, I want plagiarize.
Some things you have to you know.
He
But
died
some of them
last
are-
week. Ready. Who is most likely to fart into a megaphone?
Dainelle.
But I don't know if you hear that
Really,
sound.
is that really
You did dance.
Hey, that's not
But I
a
don't know if you hear it sound. You know what kind of phone I come up? That's epic.
I'm really, I can't really see it.
Who is most likely to taste their own poop?
The more that shit in store, she
No, let's get some again. That's just not.
Are you there now?
No, I'm telling you, it's not something.
You know that she always a smell it.
You farters.
Look here, man. I want them to stop coming from me. Watch them. Listen.
Anything with a concern shit are you?
That's not me. Period.
Next question. Who is most likely to take illegal drugs at a party? Not it.
I'm not telling no illegal. I'm not telling drugs. Period. Period.
Me not tell no what me and me not.
Hey, marijuana not illegal, you know.
I lie.
Marijuana not illegal.
Who don't try it?
I'm not try. I'm not.
Marijuana we not talk about.
Me dem own house and it's not a lot of me.
It's ecstasy.
Illegal.
Ecstasy
No.
illegal,
Those things
yeah.
are- no, I'm not promote it either.
Marijuana not illegal.
It's
Me
just
don't
a
want-
thought,
me just
guys.
want try.
You just have
it.
thought.
Honestly, we would not do it because
What
that's
if
it's
about
thought?
repercussions
Yeah.
afterwards. So we wouldn't.
I'm not
But
doing
we don't want to
no.
see how
He's
it
a man.
feel for when people-
No, it's just
people
a
say them
thought.
high and them.
I'm more likely if me I go do that, me
It's
I
not,
have a own
I don't
space
think
to
we'd have tried the
myself.
legal. We're probably gonna try the ganja tea, you know?
Yeah, more like yeah.
No, but I would have wanted to weed cake.
The legal yet? Oh, no, sorry.
Don't
My
you do that,
bad.
don't you?
Depends on the amount we have.
Then the amount
Well,
you have
It's
to
still legal.
It's still
Well,
legal. But
well,
still.
in portions.
Honestly, me
Yeah,
not
yeah,
telling them. Would
yeah,
I want
yeah.
is sweet cake? Because people talk about someone is funny.
People eat that at school.
True.
I think it would be a
Maybe
funny
at
reaction, but
school.
subconsciously no.
Them dots like bad.
Next question.
Next one.
I got
Have them
it.
something they feel.
Alright,
Keep
wait,
it
wait.
up. Anywho, who is most likely to have a crush on their teacher?
Teacher.
Me not gonna tell no lie. Me not gonna be no lie at the parties. I'm gonna keep it real. Me not gonna lie.
Teacher one time.
One time I saw me this one teacher look good man. I'm gonna say me not gonna lie. If I was old enough,
I have not encountered a good-looking teacher as yet.
me I have in primary school a man you know good me.
Sealer.
I'm telling you, the devil is a
Me not
liar.
encounter a good-looking teacher yet. So if they're
I have a
out
lot of
there,
times. I'm like, you know,
you
that
can come to Camperdown High School, okay?
I'm never say no man in well rounded that want a husband like that. But
Who is most likely to party sober?
Me.
No,
Everybody.
when you can call me, because I remember the time when I would go to a party there and boy, I did turn up myself.
then can you like, yo, well you want to drink the rum cream? Which party then?
Serum cream drink, yeah?
Which party?
I never forgot what she had about.
No, you're a party sober, but you're the willingly want to do it.
No, but I did willingly party before the soap.
Anyways, me, I'm not an idiot. I'm very responsible in this case.
I'm gonna drink.
I would not do. I don't drink. This was the only time like
What are
something
you
else.
trying to say? Persons who drink are not responsible?
No, I said I'm responsible in this case.
Oh, she's still underage. She's not able to drink.
I am 18.
When
At the age
At
21.
How far in your talk about
21.
bro?
21.
but they still
21
no.
overseas.
They give you caution like the light
Must
beers,
be
the
age,
light
yeah.
alcohols is for
Yeah.
18.
Yeah.
But like
But for
you wanna know about
drink-
this today?
Next question. Who is most likely to get drunk? Lord got the girl named right here, so.
Yeah, my face too. Yes,
Right
man.
here,
Come on,
so.
they gotta set up this.
Listen to me.
I'm telling you.
This is a light
Shit.
paperweight.
What you know about me? You have a party with me? That
Story
was
time.
many years ago.
Story
I was
time.
in bed. We're
Two story time.
Two
story time. Two story time.
always around.
Yes, two story time. Yeah, let me tell the first one. One time we were at this memorial and I was talking to someone and this girl in the top drink. I had a drink. The girl just woke up and boxed me in front of the person. I was just meeting them. I was so embarrassed. Actually, I go.
Right. Right.
They had this another time at my great grandma's. I set up her 9 nights.
It's my grandpa.
Oh Jesus!
Hey, the girl
telling
take a grape
The girl,
soda.
no, the girl get a full cup. Remember?
She get the buckle. She get the buckle too.
I saw the girl like did and
Let's go down the road.
She went up the road.
Yeah, lightweight.
Yeah.
Right? Beer man, I can recall everything from that night, so I don't know what I'm
You
talking
can't remember
I
everything.
can't remember everything because I remember the day we decided the memorial so we have to bring you home the way you're drunk.
Well, me not sleep that time then.
She get
Remember when I reach from the bed? Remember when I go from the bed, but to lift me up and carry me home, me that sleep.
It's a rule, little girl. What you mean by you're drunk? I mean, no, say you never reach 15.
My bed is, what are we? Yes, you know, I never know me age.
No,
Next question. Who is most likely to blame alcohol for their behavior?
Dainelle, you tried to put me in. But you watch Very man, these kids have never partied with me. Some of them I talk about.
But me know so me did ask so why you box me. I said, me and
But look how much years ago.
But you
All them
have.
somebody are long like
But you have.
But that
Okay,
you have
next
to pardon that,
question.
right? You have to
I
pardon.
can't pardon my experience.
Then you just sit there and put chair.
You haven't been there. Oh, what a feel like
Next question. Who is most likely to move to a new city to date someone?
Me,
Brittany just put stuff.
I legit was going to do that.
Me when I go Africa.
I like how the two are just single themselves out.
Africa?
I like how the
Lagos
just
is
chill
nice.
out.
I would have said it's me and my sister.
I like how the
Africa too
single
hot.
themselves out.
Back to Africa.
Because it was a debate between the two of them. But I like how
nice, you will blow away.
You go there.
No,
next area.
No, it's risky relationship experience because she's been in a relationship with someone that way. I know
It was
somebody
my
from
pen
Africa.
pal from them that time there.
Something still
Who
exists.
is most likely to run away from home?
Brittany,
Yes, we can do already.
me never run away. Don't remember going to the
What would that runway go?
That me want to know.
Me, I don't eat that, but
It's
she.
not run away, me move away.
Yeah, run
Sleep
from
on
the.
roadside.
Who's
Where
our
do I have to
relation?
go?
Me not run away.
I'm not
Me say,
I'm not doing that, period.
who is most likely to break into someone's house? They never feel like you.
Not me.
Unless you feel like you, my girl. I didn't. I didn't. Must
If she
feel.
am breaking into your bag. I
Just really feel like a human.
I feel like she do it
They
already.
just smell the food as she enter your house from the doorway. I should have find her way.
I'm not breaking into no one's house.
Breaking and entering.
But I'll come in there secretly when you're in there.
Breaking and
If you just
entering.
sneak up on you, come ever sneak up on your phone,
Seriously?
girl.
But you just say the sneak
Yeah, she
up.
said, anywho. Who is most likely to steal something from a house party? They don't like you.
Me would have
party.
We don't do it
Yeah.
Where's the house nice? Then I miss it.
Me, if let me tell you, you have to think about it, you have to look for the, you have to look for the one there.
Backside that.
Where the people that they know. But me no know, me not see no big, cause me not come to them TV, they will come out with big TV in front of it. Hotel. What is
Yeah,
it?
yeah. Everybody got you. I'm
Swap everything.
shampoo. Everyone has shampoo. They want to put in. Every time them suck it, me take it.
They push it out of a big
But
blanket.
they wanted them blanket was so comfortable. I couldn't take it. I couldn't fit it on my suitcase.
Next question. Who is most likely to get mistakenly kidnapped? I feel like me.
Mistakenly.
Yeah.
Mistaken.
Feel like me.
Yeah, my purpose.
Feel like me.
I'm not telling me some mother man. I'm not
Feel like
saying
me, man.
No, me not do it. Cause everyone got people talk about, you know something going on? I said me, sir.
You feel like I'm me for true.
hello. Enough time I go places and people say them my favorite
I
somebody.
talk about them just
Honestly.
to my cousin. Look about the body come slap.
But them not mistakenly. No, I don't think they would mistakenly. No, they
Yes, me.
I know say people, maybe not, cause people. You feel my cousin now? I want my girl did a call me. I tell my girl hear me call him. I'm not even doing sis. I don't even know you.
Next question.
People unapproachable, so.
Who is most likely to have eaten the largest number of different types of animals? Meat-wise.
Meat wise, meat cow.
I feel like I'm
Meat
me.
chicken, meat.
Not me.
Lion, fish, banana.
Me. When it come on to when it come on to food, I'm very explorative.
You don't know Dainelle.
When it come on to food, I'm very explorative. and
The
stuff like
vacuum
that.
of all the vacuum.
The thing is, I don't
Yeah,
think everything about me
great.
eat. It's
Who
me.
is most likely to be late for a class? Right, mommy and you this. Me and you this.
Ever heard this?
Right,
late.
me and you this.
Ever
Late for
late.
school.
Late for school
Listen
every
to me.
morning.
We don't get close
You're
yet.
late for meet me down the road.
What I say?
You're late, period.
When we come out early, we reach a school late. Make mama tell them.
Well, that's not me. I'm just not the one.
Dang, niggas move. Who is most likely to leave the house in their underwear? Me.
Not me.
Come on, your shots and we're not going underwear.
So I said, Mr. Me.
We bit about no underwear.
It's not underwear.
Yeah, that's why the question and then I start text over this so.
But I'm replying to what Ryan said.
Who is
It's
most
not
likely to leave the house in their underwear? I'm gonna tell her. Who's most likely to leave their house in their underwear? I feel like me. Cause to them I come out down my
Right.
underpants and that's not a very far stretch from my underwear.
Didn't we all wear underpants and some go to the room with baby? Well, yeah, maybe me.
But it's a baby days. You never have
But,
sex.
oh, it's a who's more. Okay, next question. Sorry.
Next question. Who's most likely to travel alone? Bitch.
I've
Oh my
traveled
God,
alone.
can you?
Brittany.
Not being a
Chill.
child.
All of us. We're all grown.
We
Travel
turned
alone.
up by yourself.
I was a place by myself. Majority of the time.
Who is most likely to reinvent themselves after a breakup?
Brittany. Right? Oh, for true. Him I was a different person. It's like, no.
It's like give 2 weeks
50
and
shades
then
of
face me
grey.
again.
You know, the show Mirror with the man of the split personality, them are him that.
What
Give me 2 weeks. Get over that.
You don't know about me.
Don't make things bother me. I can't
No,
put them.
Daniel, you're still the same.
What you mean?
Like reinvent themselves, change them own persona, change all them used to stay in them.
No.
I'm Instagram name me and change.
It not fears me too. It will fears me, but I still move on eventually and be myself.
Just
Who
give me
is
2
most
weeks.
likely to stay up all night drinking?
Drinking? No.
Jano. Well,
Feel like a bit. You.
them days here,
A bit.
I would turn up by myself, you know, just to like say, you know, like, what them song
I'm
there?
not a drinker.
Jesus, me I forgot to play the song, but you can't play it here because Dainelle says that.
I'm not going to that copyright. I want to give a copyright. Next question. Oh, guys, please, I'm going to link her channel down in the description. She's a young YouTuber, new well. You know, she'll come.
Who is most likely?
She not even started, but I'm going to say the link.
Who?
I keep the link. Are they saying that, bro? Are they like quick person?
To them all, idiot. Who is most likely to pee in a bottle?
I've done that. I've been on camp enough time.
We're not
Yeah, I'm
done
already know. Why am I
in life here when you had travel go all the way in North Coast.
do the bush. Oh, man.
May I do it in a bush?
No. You ever see camp down at night time?
You don't want to travel them places at
I'm
night.
wait till I'm on them.
Because me and my father would drive go how deep the country. I say, I gotta go there. He said, no. He was like, go. And he gave me a bag. I cleaned up.
Where's the paper?
No bag.
That's in the grass.
I want a nice house, also nice, pleasing, but not a big house.
It is not the real estate challenge. It is not the real estate channel.
I'm sorry.
Who is most likely to take the most pictures when drunk? I feel like it's me.
Me I take them when I'm not drunk already.
Dainelle.
I feel like I'm me.
Always
Phone full.
Me not use my phone, me not full of phone.
Alright, more like a video mode I take.
I forgot on a deleting spree every
When I
time.
just about this, then just a press. I'm telling you, enough time I do that already. Like legit. I think that's
I flip my phone.
Who is most likely to spend the most money on a night out?
Not me, I'm too frugal.
Me not spend like me not sense. More enjoy my
Spend my
life.
money.
Especially food in here.
More enjoy.
Yeah.
Food that truth.
When you put food now, they mix the money down.
I'm telling you, sometimes if
Money
it's
done.
sometimes if it's
Not
free.
me.
But I'm going to make sure I have my food. No, we always go months so the better I'm going different months. If I'm going there with the equation, we'll start the algebra. Period.
Make sure what?
Next one.
Nice.
Who is most likely to start World War III?
In what case?
Just in general.
No, ma'am, I need context for that.
That's so controversial.
If somebody
Like Dainelle would I do it?
them would I read it for true.
Like she's that deep.
Who lead it for true, no? If them would I lead it for true, man. Let me look on it.
Me plus a girl just forget about it, yeah. Come move on. Come eat two food and move
Come
right.
on, come on, do what?
Forget about it.
Don't before that. Come
Move
on.
on. Move on. Forget about it.
I move on. Me here just say come on.
Move on, be here.
Next one. Who is most likely to drop something valuable into the toilet?
Me clumsy bad.
Not me.
I'm
Like
super
a brick.
clumsy. No, but clumsy
Too
bad.
cautious.
I throw my shot and I foot them gas.
But so clumsy. Me remember one time I had my phone and I drop it inside of one pan of water and it was 50%. I don't know what that about the version is.
This is my phone.
Everything ever drop from me, I don't know.
Next question. Who is most likely to start a fashion trend?
I said, oh, no fashionable don't tell.
Not sorry.
No, but like a fashion
To
trend.
start it, maybe. But
Me would have-
me see enough things on mood I want to say.
I've
Me go
done
follow
it.
that. I want to do that.
That retreat.
Raheem would have started a fashion.
Yeah, I think
Cause
so.
my
Because
crazy
people
them
are
way.
that
Because they're going to be above and beyond.
Yeah, especially Prince.
The extra.
King.
Who is most likely to eat a bucket of ice cream alone while crying? Damn.
I've
I'm
done
in a
that
sad
before.
story. Oh my god.
Not already.
I don't want to eat sex too.
No, I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to go down to the ice cream, but I'm not crying.
Guys, it's a part of the process of reinvention. The ice cream in another 2 weeks, good.
Who is most likely to be a world traveler?
Me?
Me want travel. Me out.
Me I go everywhere.
Me feel like
I'm
I'm
Middle East.
Can we take tomorrow after this?
Who is most likely to stalk their celebrity crush? Not Dainelle. She stalked Petty Sue. Petty Sue, she stalked you.
But
Listen,
I
we
felt
will
that.
legit be on the road and Petty Sue look like car pass. Boom! Bumba, Petty Sue, that Petty Sue. Let's even catch the license plate.
Question.
You know, make a send her this. I'm going to like crap this
Who
part.
is Betty Sue?
You know,
Make
but
sure tell you.
oh my god.
Let's go up on the run.
Oh, look, I'm gonna get something for you to know.
Oh,
Me I come, baby. What's in your picture? Oh, say there, what's my girl? I love her.
Yes, we're coming. Let him out.
Nice.
Let him out, man. Make him come.
She's a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Big smile.
Yeah, you know, Pipe Perry.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if,
Alright.
if you have watched Pipe Perry, you have to see it.
Next question.
Next question, some students. Sit already.
Who is most likely to think about getting breast implants?
Dainelle?
Me?
No.
I don't want
You
to.
call my name.
No, I say Cornelia.
Breast
Come here, I
implants
never hear
now.
what you say.
I don't mean more like him would reduce the breast size and pull a batty down here, so you know what I'm saying?
Where you call it?
Something
Me
like
not debating, must stop that English
Last
class.
question.
Who is most likely to post a topless picture on their social media page? Well, now, for me.
What you gonna say, girl?
The strength. I'm telling you, the beef fella and the apple cider vinegar and the pepper, you're not working out.
Some do I want that two of them in a part.
No.
I'm telling you.
Oh,
Maybe there's a good. Don't do
Can't
that.
talk about Stevenson and me and still not believe. No, because me dad. Good God, me favorite tell something.
Just a herb.
Here.
No, I'm not saying question.
Come
Come next question. Come on, no. Me no
Top
know.
players, me don't write
Not
him.
me.
Alone, if you get
Me,
this
when we get the summer body, you know,
Why? No comments.
Come last one.
Who is most likely to die first?
It is only right.
True.
It is only right now. I'm super sad.
Well,
So,
that's all, guys. Yeah, give me your paper.
Bye.
yeah, clean it up, right?
Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. My cousin.
Bye.
Bye.
Free people,
Lock them out, somebody.
Send me a banana chips.